Granite Polishing Coventry. This floor is a Black Star Galaxy Granite floor. In Coventry, Warwickshire. After 17 years, the main walk areas were dull and ugly. The family pets spend a lot of time in the kitchen area. The pets' claws help to damage the surface of the floor. Previously, I did a sample polish using Black Granite Polishing Powder and Black Granite Polishing Cream. The sample polish made the worn tiles look shiny. But the polishing process alone could not recover the mirror finish. There was too much damage to the surface of the tiles. This is a granite floor I polished in London. The surface was starting to lose the shine. So the granite polishing alone gave a beautiful finish. I advised my client that this floor would need to be ground to remove the worn, damaged surface. Also, there was a lot of lippage over the floor. Lippage is a difference in height between adjoining tiles. So the floor had to be ground smooth before it could be polished. Grinding and polishing granite is a costly process, costing between £100 and £150 per square meter, depending on the amount of grinding needed to smooth the floor. At the time, the costs were above my client's budget. 2 years later, my client decided to proceed with the restoration. To begin with, I protected kitchen furniture with plastic sheeting. Granite grinding. I started the grinding process with 30 grit metal diamonds. These diamonds are very aggressive. They completely removed the surface damage and lippage, leaving the floor flat. I removed the grinding scratches with metal and composite diamonds. Granite honing. I progressively honed the granite, starting with 100 grit diamonds and finishing at 3000 grit diamonds. Granite polishing. I used a combination of granite polishing powders and black granite polishing cream to create a deep gloss. I also applied an impregnating sealer specially made for black granite. The sealer helps darken the stone, restoring the deep black color. My client was delighted with the finish. If you are looking for granite polishing, you can contact me on 0800 695 0180 or visit my website www.abbeyfloorcare.co.uk. I will be happy to help.